Well, Janet, we'll have to see how this all shakes out. But right now, when you pay with a credit card, the banks charge the retailer a fee. Historically, retailers haven't been allowed to pass that fee on to consumers. But retailers filed a lawsuit against several major banks, and a judge ruled retailers can now pass those fees onto you starting Sunday. While New York prohibits it, it's too soon to tell if online retailers in other states will honor this statute.
I'm a big online shopper sometimes, and I guess I will be stopping that soon because I can't afford it.
Bethany Mason of Hilton says she will think long and hard about any online purchases from now on. She says she loves the savings, but now wonders after Sunday's credit card changes if she will save shopping outside of New York State.
The particular store I shop in, where they only sell lingerie in the store, and if you want to buy their clothing, you can only buy it online. So it kind of stops people from shopping there if they're going to know there's going to be a percentage more they're going to have to pay.
This fee is the result of a lawsuit, a settlement between retailers and several major banks, including Visa and MasterCard. It paves the way for retailers to charge you a fee for the privilege of using your credit card.
The law now says that a retailer can pass on that surcharge to their customers, and it could be anywhere from 1.5% to 4% of the purchase amount.
So if you shop online or shop outside of New York State, this will affect you. It could mean as much as $4 for every $100 you spend. We asked Lynette Baker of the Consumer Credit Counseling Service of Rochester how you can avoid these fees. Do you have any advice for people who do a lot of online shopping? Could they see these fees?
Again, I'm not sure if you live in New York if they could charge you those fees for online shopping, but just in general, if you can use cash, use it. We always say that anyway to people, as opposed to racking up the credit card debt. Always use cash if you have it, because then you're only spending what you have. This doesn't apply to debit cards, so you can use your debit card instead of your credit card and avoid the surcharge.
So what should you do if cash isn't an option or you're traveling?
Travel with your debit card, or again, some retailers might charge it, some not. So do a little comparison shopping first.
That it's one more thing that is being lumped on consumers?
Well, yes, but I can also see why they might want to do that, because if you purchase something online, it appears to be much cheaper. You have it delivered to your home. This could actually drive people to local retailers. It might be good for business.
Baker also says all retailers, including those online, have to disclose this fee before you check out. She also advises you to check with your bank to make sure there is not a fee for using your debit card. Janet?
Annette, you mentioned 10 states have outlawed surcharges, right?
That's right. Massachusetts, Maine, Florida, Connecticut, Kansas, Oklahoma, and Texas, as well as California and Colorado join the list. So if you travel to those areas or shop with online retailers in those states, you may not see these new surcharges.
I'm going to keep this information handy. Lynette Adams with our report tonight. Thanks.